The second product on our list is the Singer Quantum Styler 9960. This embroidery machine towers over other devices because of its efficiency, versatility, and effective functionality. With a whopping 600 inbuilt stitching options, 13 inbuilt buttonholes, and a button underplate, it has capabilities most embroidery machines do not possess. It comes with mirror imaging and stitch elongation to provide more ways to tweak your design. It also has 5 alphanumeric stitching fonts that can beautify your work further. We like that threading this machine is easy and can even be done automatically. Another notable feature of this embroidery machine is that it can run on autopilot, thus making it super easy and convenient to use. The 9960 embroidery machine can also stitch with a tremendous speed of up to 850 stitches per minute, making sewing a more straightforward and quick process. Moreover, you can find the rate you're comfortable with, as the speed can be adjusted to any level within the maximum and minimum range. This embroidery machine also comes with a range of presser feet, including the all-purpose foot, zipper foot, and buttonhole foot. We also like how the stitch buttons are arranged, making it easily accessible by just a single punch. Moreover, because of the high-quality materials that it is made with, it is very durable. Lastly, we found it effortless to learn, so even beginners can conveniently use it. Its pros are: it has an autopilot option, it can stitch very fast, and it has a vast number of stitching options. However, it is very bulky. The Singer Quantum Styler 9960 is a versatile yet effective embroidery machine that will help amateur embroidery enthusiasts who want to go professional. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.